How to make full screen TikTok video on CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make full screen TikTok video on CapCut. It's super simple, so let's get started. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Now, let's move on towards the video. You need to simply go ahead and open up CapCut, and from here you need to go ahead and choose the video that you want to add to your TikTok. Once you have chosen the video, now you need to simply scroll until you find the aspect ratio option. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that, and from here you can see the TikTok like icon right next to the original that says 9:16. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that, and once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on done. And you can simply use your fingers to resize your video. Here, this video is exactly the size of TikTok, so I don't need to adjust it, but you need to simply go ahead and pinch your video in order to adjust it to make it full screen. And that's it. Once you have made your adjustments over here, you need to simply go ahead and tap on export. And that's it. You now know how to make a full screen TikTok video on CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.